All right, I got these skater trainers here, and this is a fresh bag, so I'm gonna open them up, take them out, and oh, almost dropped that one. And it's cool because they come with a sticker when you first get them, and you get 4 rubber things that go over your wheels, pieces. I'm about to show you how they go on. All right, so now you got your 4 skater trainers, and what you do, you take them, slide them over the wheel like so. You pull them over like this, stretch them out, pull them over the wheels, and make them even with the wheel. It's one, get the other one. All right, another one. All right, last one. Last one. All right, all 4 wheels. There you go. All right, so you got all 4 skater trainers on. You flip the board over, and what these do is they keep you from moving. So you can practice your tricks. It gives you more stability. They're like training wheels for a skateboard. Skater trainers. And these things are great because they keep you from moving, and they really help beginner skaters gain their confidence. And always use a helmet and safety gear when you're practicing. I use them all the time because I'm a skateboard instructor. And one of the best things they're for is like keeping that board nice and still, so beginners can figure out how to like step on the board without it flying out from under your feet. So the main thing is to figure out your foot positioning. So for a beginner, you want to put your foot up here and put your back foot up here and pivot your foot like this. And the skater trainers just help you gain confidence so you can learn how to get in the riding stance from pushing. Learn how to pivot that foot. Another really great thing I like the skater trainers for is learning how to get your back foot in this pocket and learning how to pick the nose of the skateboard up just like this. And the skater trainers help you just stay still so you can learn how to do this motion. Little up and downs, anchoring up and down. And this is like the first step of learning how to do the ollie. And this is something you can learn as a beginner skateboarder. And eventually you'll be able to learn how to do the ollie. Yeah. So if you guys want your own skater trainers, check out, there'll be an affiliate link below. There'll be an Amazon affiliate link. Just click below and you can get yourself some skater trainers. And you can practice some of your ollies, some manuals, and kickflips and heel flips. Check them out. Also, this is a sponsored advertisement for skater trainers through the Amazon affiliate program, and I do earn a little bit of extra commission off sales that I'll get through these links. If you're a beginner skateboarder, you can get yourself some skater trainers and you can learn how to do some up and downs. And just learn this motion, and then you'll learn how to do some ollies after you learn how to do some other fundamentals. But these are great for learning how to get the pop for the ollies, because you got to learn how to anchor down and pop the tail. When you're moving, it's a little harder, but it's also good to learn it without skater trainers. But at first, it's good just to learn how to pop that tail down so you can snap the tail down and pop it up and do your ollies as a beginner. And also, you can practice switch ollies, doing it on the other pocket. And then you can practice your switch ollies. Oh, I fell. So yeah, I need practice. Need a little practice with my switch ollies. Land bolts, absorb the landing. Another good reason I like to use skater trainers is when you're teaching someone how to do a manual, because sometimes for beginners, it's hard for them to balance on the back wheels and get that confidence moving. So if you can just get some skater trainers and you're not moving, and you learn how to get your feet into that manual position where you get your back foot in the back pocket right here, front foot on the bolts right above that front wheel, and you just learn how to do like a wheelie, and you learn how to sit on this back pocket, and you learn how to like lift up the front end. And then if you come down too far, you learn how to bail out of that manual just like that by stepping off, and you're not moving, so it helps you build that confidence. And then you can learn how to kind of push it back down, get reset, and learn how to sit on that manual pocket. And see, I need practice. And once you get the sweet spot, you'll be able to just sit on it. just like that. And sometimes it might even be harder because you're not moving, but if you need that extra skater trainer to help you give that confidence, it helps you, it's there, and you're not going to move, so you can build that confidence and learn how to balance on that back pocket. So a good question is, do skater trainers help with kick flips and like flip tricks? Yeah, they definitely help with like heel flips and kick flips. Not so much with like shuvits, definitely with kick flips, and because you're not moving. And I've learned my kick flips in the grass stationary, so you're the same thing, you're not moving with the skater trainers. And one tip with my kick flips is I build up pressure on my front foot right here, and I'm able to like pop and then flick at the top of my ollie off that pressure so I can do my kick flip, catch it with my back foot. Always stay loose, bend your knees, and be balanced and be in your right position so you get that pop and that flick. And then, so you get that pop and flick and get that timing right. And then land bolts, you'll catch with your back foot, land bolts, right away clean. So yeah, these help you learn your flip tricks stationary, and then you can learn them moving. So you make sure when you learn them stationary after with the skater trainers, after you learn them, you take them off and then you learn your kick flips moving. All right, heel flips. My tip for heel flip is you have to focus on pressure on your toes when you're flicking off the heel. You're kind of using your toes too. And you're not leaning too much forward this way. You're balanced and you're getting good pop. And I like the skater trainers because they keep me from moving so I can practice my heel flips. See how they work. All right, got the first one. So yeah, these things work good with ollies. And they don't work the best with shoves because there's too much friction with the skater trainer. But they still work because you still can figure out how to get the scoop of the shove. And like if you need that extra security blanket of like not moving around with the skater trainers, it does help you land them too without moving around when you do the shoves, but it's kind of harder to get this part of the scoop. But they do help a little bit with the landing. Definitely help with the landing. Definitely help with kick flips and ollies. Yeah, but if you're a beginner skateboarder and you're trying to learn how to ollie, or if you're trying to learn how to do a manual, or if you're just trying to learn how to stand on the skateboard and you need some extra stability to build that confidence, definitely suggest skater trainers. I've been using them for years. I'm a skateboard instructor. I use them like almost every time I do a lesson because I teach a lot of beginners. So these things work great. Get your ollies down, kick flips. Yeah, so positives about these things, they're easy to carry around, they're easy to put on because you can use any board. I guess I don't like the fact because they're not good with shuvits, but that's all right. But I also suggest you learn your tricks moving eventually, so you got to take off the skater trainers and learn your tricks moving. All right, got the varial flip. So if you guys enjoyed this video about skater trainers, click up here and there'll be a whole nother review about skater trainers and a tip about how to do a kickflip with them. So click up there and we'll see you later. Practice them kickflips and ollies, manuals.